guys, welcome to my channel. So I thought it was a long time that I made a cooking video. So today I'm going to make South Indian chicken biryani. To make it we will need 1 kg chicken, 2 chopped onions, 3 chilies, and 1.5 tomato, ginger garlic paste, some coriander, mint and lemon. And we will need some spices like turmeric powder and coriander powder and chili powder, and we will need some dry spices like bay leaf, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, black pepper, and cashews, and a little teeny bit of saffron. And I have measured 3 cups of basmati rice. So, first step is to marinate the chicken. We have to marinate the chicken so some spices can get into the chicken and it will taste yummy. So, we have to put some curd, ginger garlic paste, turmeric, chili powder, and coriander powder, and we have to mix it and keep it in the fridge for 1 hour. I already marinated because it will save some extra time. So now we are going to start cooking. So to make biryani we will need some oil and ghee. So be a little bit generous for the biryani can taste good. So first we are going to on the stove. I'm using a big container, bowl, something like that. So first I'm going to on it. So now I'm going to pour this into the pan. So now the oil is hot, so I'm going to put all the dry ingredients except the saffron and the cashew nuts. I'm going to put the cashew. Be careful with the hot oil. Now I'm going to add the chilies. Cashews turn golden brown. Let's add the onions. Let's saute the onions until it turns golden brown. The onions have turned golden brown. So now we are going to add some salt. And some ginger garlic paste. Now mix it. Mix it until the ginger garlic paste smell has gone. Onion onions and the ginger garlic paste have sauteed well. So now I'm going to add some tomatoes. And I'm going to mix it. And I'm going to close it with a lid so the tomatoes cook fast. Now let's open the lid. The onions and the tomatoes have blended well. Now let's add the chicken. Now we are going to add the spices. A little bit of turmeric, a little bit of coriander powder, and a little bit of chili powder. The biryani, we have to put more coriander powder so the biryani tastes good. So hard. While the chicken is cooking, let's add the coriander and the mint, except the lemon. And out. While the chicken is so cooking, let's wash the rice and keep it in the water for some time. So I washed it and let's keep a little bit of water so the rice absorbs it. The chicken has slightly cooked. So now you can taste it, and if you need more spice you can put some chili powder. Or if you need some more salt, you can add it. I'm going to taste it from this spoon. I have tasted the chicken and it tastes perfect for me. So now I'm going to add some water to the chicken. I took 3 cups of rice. So for each cup of rice, we have to put 2 cups of water. So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. I'm going to add 6 cups of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 'Before you add your rice, allow the water to boil. Now we have to taste this soup type of thing for now. If it is salty, it's perfect because when we add the rice, the rice will also absorb the saltness. So we have to have the soup a little bit salty. I'm going to taste it slightly. Yes, it's a bit salty. The water has come to a boil, so I'm going to add the rice. Now we have to mix it slightly, but don't mix it too much because the rice will break. always mix it in one direction so the rice won't break. Now I'm going to add some lemon. Now mix it slightly, gently, and now, now let's cover it with the lid and put the flame in sim. And let's wait for 5-10 minutes. So now I'm going to open the lid. And we can see that the rice has grown a bit longer. So let's just mix it once. And now we are going to close it with an aluminum foil so it catches the aroma and the flavor on it. So now I'm going to close it with an aluminum foil so the aroma and the flavor captures into the rice. Put it in a very, very low flame for 15 to 20 minutes. It has been 10-15 minutes, so now I'm going to open the lid and you can see that the aromas can come out. It smells delicious. Biryani is ready to serve. Let's serve. And a piece of chicken. Biryani is ready. The biryani looks so delicious. Let's taste it. It's a bit hot. It tastes super. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you loved it. See you next time. Please subscribe and like this video. Bye.